So, welcome back to another Random Hobby Channel. Try natin magbukas ng Spider-Man Play Booster. Kanina lang dumating, pero I don't know kailan ang pre-release talaga nito. Pero maaga siyang dumating. So, think hindi siya masyadong sikat. I think. News Helicopter, Kapow, Inner Demons Gangsters, Electrobolt, Wild Pack Squad. Hindi tayo bumili ng booster box kasi yun nga, hindi masyadong sikat. At saka better sa mga series, comics or movies siya panoorin kaysa laruin. But yeah, abang-abang tayo sa Avatar. Doon tayo nag-invest. Hotdog cart, di ba? Wala siyang related sa Magic. Craven's Cats, Pictures of Spider-Man, Tombstone, Career Criminal, Robotics Mastery, Rocket Powered Goblin Glider, ooh, Spider-Man Manifestation, Plane, Spider Token, and that's it. Wala siyang rare. So, etong rare, Rocket Powered Goblin. Ayo. Yun yung Spider Manifestation natin ang foil. So, another one. May time pa tayo. Venomized Cat. Cute. Still Wrecking Ball. Passenger Ferry. Ooh. Brooklyn Visionary. Gallant Citizen. Risky Research. Ooh, it's Morbin time. Morbius the Living Vampire. Flop movie. Sa flop MTG cards. Prison Break. Ooh, Clever Impersonator. Nice. With Great Power. Scout the City. Sinister Hideout. And a Treasure Token. So that's all. Pakmas. Ciao.